Bible panel. They're having a
I started this video and then I fluffed my hair and I'm thinking, okay, that's gonna show up on the video. I'm recording. Okay.
I'm walking the plank. Emily, bring it on this. For you to just step on it. What the heck are you doing?
Go home.
Oh, no. For you, what are you doing? How am I supposed to?
Is Brianna here?
I'm right here.
Ah, there we go.
Emily,
Haley's here. Karen?
Oh, three.
Has she been here today? Has she been virtual? Three. Okay, I'll check. Emily is here. Brian is here. Brendan
Is right
there. Alex is probably going to be virtual.
It's Alex and Karis that are
Who?
Alex and Karis.
Oh, okay. You know, Karis has been online today?
Yes.
She was on the. Oh, okay. So she will be virtual probably.
I can fly.
That wasn't actually the party bell. Y'all are way past. Where'd she go?
You can stay there, right?
There. Okay.
You did.
Get up.
He was fine. He was just being dramatic.
Y'all have a seat.
I can fly.
Ian, how does it feel to be airborne?
We have. How does it feel to be
Airborne.
Airborne. Yeah, I can fly.
So what's our fun day plan?
Sunday plan. Well, I guess we're waiting for Alex. I think it is, first of all.
Oh, they gotta finish their tests.
Oh, that's right. Who needed to finish? Well, and I'm gonna probably talk to Sunny privately.
No, that sounds bad.
Ian, you didn't finish?
Yeah, I read that.
Okay, and then Haley, did you finish?
No, ma'am.
And Emily. This is different.
It's just Ian, Haley, and Alyssa.
Haley and Ian?
Haley and Alyssa.
Brenda, you
And
finished?
Ian.
Elizabeth looks finished. Okay.
Mine's on
Elizabeth did finish.
Alyssa.
Yeah, I did.
Elizabeth did.
You did, okay. So we just don't listen to what Brenda said. Just kidding.
Can I fix that? 'Cause it's not, it's like.
Oh my
outside.
gosh.
What
The
is
door
your-
stuff
oh,
is out
Outside
or
of
whatever.
the door, it's not.
Yes, you can fix it.
I just wanted to, no, it's not like that. It's just that my
Your
exam
exam review, my quiz is perfection.
Yay, good. You want to go to the party?
And lunch hour.
Today's Thursday. Guys, guess what? I get to go to lunch today.
Finally.
As opposed to.
I was so mad. I was angry.
Oh, yeah, that's you.
Okay, so
I bought the
Ian, but he's taking a test, Brianna.
I bought Haley, like the jump on in the rocket goes shooting up. And then I bought Tegan, like this our state.
Elizabeth is here, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
I'm in the restroom.
She's not having drama issues. Right.
I don't know. She's the one that.
Okay, okay, so I checked it up to those word dogs. So let's see which one.
What?
Oh, this was what you did on virtual?
Mhm.
Ah, okay. Well, I can pretty good. Let's start way back.
I know.
Beginning and then go to now.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. We'll review that.
Crazy.
Okay.
It's a cake.
Good, 89. Yeah.
Yeah. Gotcha. So rich.
That's gonna help a lot, especially the count more. So you still have exercises. And here's chapter 2 review.
So I had a daily routine.
And this is more exercises.
Cleaning, what did I do that?
And then you might have them probably in class. This is a reading guide way back on how to the intro. the very first thing we did. Okay, so anyway, I just wanted you to know, right now your average is that, but you get, the D-Gen is gonna really come up a lot, and get the rest of them up some more. Okay. Thank you. I've got people that can pass that, but I think we need to put stickers on some of these first.
Yes.
There she is. Yes. Would you look and see if Alex is on the virtual? I'm sorry.
No, there's only a Karis. Hi, Karis.
Okay, so. Brendan, you can come over.
Yay.
How's your one?
I love passing down.
Awesome.
All the A's and stickers, like way out.
Wait, did you pass that to
If you get an A, you get a sticker.
So,
Now, some of them will be Alex or, the other one.
so like this would be like, oh, that's, so what I do is Karis.
Okay, yeah, some of them I printed out, I did it online, so the name will be printed. Oh, yeah, okay. Let's finish that.
Oh.
You can't look at stuff in your head like that.
Oh.
I just put you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was.
Okay, so I was looking at. This is Alex.
Can I let Alex in?
I was trying to get it coordinated with.
Can I let Alex
Yeah.
in?
I have all your Google Sheets, and they weren't matching up. I'll figure it out. Anyway, what you still? did you do
Alex
that
is-
microgenic table?
Oh, no, let's open it up.
Hey.
Don't worry, I think I did that. I'm like, you're like, I was just seeing that stuff. No, I certainly did. They were.
I did that.
I did not.
Double the lab. The lab was or test.
Here, what I put it.
For the final. That's actually.
Yay.
Sorry. Again, good.
Alex.
It's 65 on the open book.
Okay, so I handed out the semester review, right? Everybody have that?
Yeah.
So that's what we're working on now. And the test will come from that, but not be quite as long as that. Anything with numbers will be slightly changed, you know the routine. It is due for a grade. That'll be the last grade I take besides the final, is that semester review, so it's not an optional thing. And you can write on it if you want, but when we get to the test, I'll probably have you write everything on in graphic. Any questions? As you go through it, if you have any trouble, let me know. You'll notice probably that a lot of the stuff you can go back to your old tests and get good answers, hopefully. If not, you can find them in the book or ask me.
Wait, so did you grade the test yet?
No. I'll ask quickly everybody, and that's so that I grade them all at the same time for consistency. Anything that's in motion. So I would like you to go through and fill out the review. Okay, and you can work with Brendan or something if you want to help you out. Whatever. You get it?
Does anybody know what the grade point average must be for NHS?
4.2.
3.0.
3.0?
It's really, really low.
That's not why everyone's it.
So like even if you're a complete idiot, which none of us are, you could get in.
I appreciate it.
I said none of us are.
Hey, I
So.
got a 65 on the open book.
Let me see what you put.
No, I got 2 wrong.
I got an 8.
What'd you get wrong?
I did the second problem wrong, which was the AR.
Yeah.
I'm a fucking idiot. So it was just, could have been good. Brendan decided.
You didn't look in the book?
Or one of them I did.
This one?
He said,
Yes.
yes.
I said,
You didn't look in the book.
I thought I knew it. We put it on. You did not. Today, Thursday.
See, this is what I did. I did it without looking in the book, and then I checked.
You get 100 on it?
Yeah, without any fixed scenes.
See, but they cost dirt less. Of the-
Yeah.
Because they're open.
This is a nurse test. No, literally. What number are you on?
Are you?
Wanna work together?
I haven't started yet.
What was it? Oh, that exists. I forgot that existed.
Yeah, you're gonna go out.
Oh.
on.
Ian, wanna make out?
The frick? I
No,
knew
I-
you were gay.
No,
I knew
no,
it.
I said, do you wanna go out?
I knew you were gay.
He's not gay.
I'm messing with
Yeah,
you.
after school tomorrow.
You keep smacking people's
He's not
guys'
gay.
butt. You keep smacking guys' butts.
Just Ian's. It's called the bros, not gay. Bros and gay.
There's this thing called.
Bros also rhymes with hoes, so.
Yeah,
Doesn't mean anything.
Like,
You
like
probably
if
got
I
it.
say Ian, if Ian's a bro, and I say Ian, I love you, that's.
I'm
bro.
messing with you, Brody.
But if I say me,
Finish.
Well, this is. Is this it?
Oh, you got Christmas.
Yeah, this is the label more part.
This team.
I think was.
Emily, what did you do for number 2?
Making a marker.
Where you did the metals, metal and not metals.
So what are you
Zero.
looking
I want all
at?
of these then
We
too.
did movie.
Okay, right.
Oh,
Okay.
This
So-
is mechanical system.
These are done on a
So
separate sheet of
maybe-
paper.
Thank you.
Sharp
Water.
out.
These are done on a separate sheet of paper, right?
Maybe do
Yes.
like polka dots or the outline metals.
Yes.
Stripes or the outline
Then it
or
has less
something like that.
energy to fall.
Raised arrows. Or outline them even in a certain color, something like that.
I'm not sure if
Is Adam all matter?
Animal matter. That is actually a question that scientists have been posed.
Yes.
If you're getting down to the cipher of matter and energy, it's kind of hard to tell apart.
Can I just say all matter?
So wait, energy is not matter.
So atom is the fundamental building blocks for matter. Remember that? Mr. Goose? Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, I've got one to show you. Oh, okay. Trying to organize it very well. Still the picture a minute. And so, yeah. Pretty good aperture. I'm missing these.
Yeah, I was thinking that.
Your own.
And then that was all. I think I had some other gaps, but then I couldn't figure out what the other finding where you submitted it or whatever. So, the daily average is 9.5. There's one more. Probably raise it up a little bit. It might be enough. Double check. I don't know. I'll have to raise it up enough. Other thing that you can think about is if you have any low, quiz.
What is the difference between atom and ion?
Is there anything there you want to make up before the end of the board? You can also look at four days.
But is this what's counting?
Probably.
masses that
But I'm just saying, I'm not sure since there were
What's
so
the case?
many, there's like 16 daily grades and you're each one.
it's a 17.
And so,
What days are chemistry?
you got another 100, that would be 1580 out of 1600. That would raise it up a little bit. I'm not sure if it'll, when you average all these
Wait, is
together,
that
it's
one
only
on
like
finals or is that one
18%. quizzes, like,
I think that was these times on Monday.
I'm not sure if it'll be enough to really raise that, because this is the most, the biggest part is the test
Right.
score. That's where most of it comes from. How many tests? 88, 185. 72. I'll go back down a little bit. It's still not bad. So it's up to you, you know. If you're happy, you're happy. If you're not, you're not.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Okay, so Alyssa, Brianna, Ann, if there's anything that you think you might have turned in off on that list that maybe online, or then maybe I haven't seen it or something.
No, the one for 3243, I think I talked to you about that, like, what was it? Before we got back on the.
Yeah.
Also, we have literature on Monday. Our chemistry exams on
Right,
Wednesday.
because I was also asking you about, the first being Wednesday. and then just because of last Wednesday.
Yeah.
So that's what happened.
That sounds like a broken station.
So yeah, I'll get it to you tomorrow.
Okay.
She probably doesn't. Okay, so I got 2 things for mass. Is mass the numerical measurement specifying the amount of inertia the object has, or is it the quantity of the specific portion of the matter?
What? Mass is how much matter a space takes up. How much matter a space takes up. Mass is how much matter a space takes up.
Matter? is the quantity of a specific portion of matter. And then another one is numerical measurement specifying the amount of inertia the object has.
Yeah, so that first one about what you said, which is fine. I think what we both was stressing was the fact that it's measurement of inertia, so I'm kind of favoring that one, but I can't be wrong for another one that's also good.
Yeah, because it was on a test and you counted it incorrect, so.
Yeah. Probably the last time we had it before the final, we'll go through and check all your answers. And then they'll make corrections.
Does this go to 10 or 20?
Oh, here's last. 11, 10. There's a scheduling board up there. I can't- When we take the final.
Okay.
But they would take our final. And the class before that, then we'll be checking to make sure it's all correct. Okay, my virtual ladies, I've been kind of ignoring y'all. Can you hear me? Yeah, y'all working on the review? Let me test your volume. Can you say testing, testing?
Testing,
One more time?
testing.
Ah, there we go. I can hear it now. Okay, good. So if you need any help, let me know. Also, do y'all know if y'all are going to be coming or having a parent or somebody pick up anything at school at some point? Because I have a bunch of papers I could pass back. And if you give me a time that somebody will be here, I can make sure they're in the office for you. But it's up to you.
I'll be back Tuesday.
Okay, well, I'll just wait till then. That's fine.
I can come after school on Friday to pick some papers up.
If it's the only thing you're doing, I don't want you to make a special trip.
Oh no, it's all right. Like we can go pick up stuff.
From the front office? Okay, I'll make sure I get it there then.
So there's 1,000 grams and 1 kilogram.
Yeah,
Get those mixed in.
why not?
I think like in 1 gram there's 1,000 kilograms.
I think of a gram as like a paper clip weighs a gram. You know, a kilogram is like what you see on TV that, you know, you got a kilogram of cocaine or something, you know, and it's big.
I always think of like 1 small meter equals 1 kilometer. Like when you
Yeah, 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Another way you can think about it, like if you say 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. It's kind of saying the same thing because this means 1,000. And so if you say 1,000 meters equals kilometer, 1,000 meters. Kilos is just a substitution for 1,000. Oh, I need to check. Roll. There we go.
When does entropy decrease?
When you put something more in order,
Oh, okay.
you have to always use energy
Oh,
to do that.
When you pour water into a glass.
I don't know if it's in more in order, probably because it's in a smaller area, but like say you broke a glass and then when you sweep it up, or like when you clean your room.
When you clean your room.
Yeah, whenever you put something in more order, that's
So
why
it decreases when you clean your room.
it decreases entropy. Yeah, when it gets more orderly. Mm-hmm.
I think he needs all this stuff, like this screen picture and
Needs what?
the-
Yeah. Oh, well, no, didn't I give you some of these handouts? You don't know. Thinking I did. Yeah, you can check it out. Oh, that's a cool backpack.
Checking here.
You got a folder for chemistry, or is that for everything in your whole?
For everything.
Okay, so you do want to get a binder.
Well,
That-
it's in my-
Oh.
But
I don't see.
might take a while.
You would be able to see it. That's why I do it in colors. Yeah, so you can find it real quick. I bet I did, but I'll get some more. I know I printed you out a periodic table. Remember that? Do you have that now?
No.
There's 1,000 cubic centimeters in a cubic. For some reason, that doesn't sound right either. Let me look at my metric here. Volume. Not on that one. Hang on. Table. Conversion factors. So in a cubic meter. Okay, so do you have one of these?
No.
You do? You don't have these? Does it look like that at all? I mean, nothing like that?
No, we've only received.
Only received that. Maybe I can make more of these. Okay, because it says that there's 10, well, makes it kind of tricky. It says 1 cubic centimeter, which is a little square like this big, is equal to 1 times 10 to the negative 6 cubic meters. In other words, there's a million of them in a cubic meter. Let me see if I've got enough of those to pass that. A million cubic centimeters in 1 cubic meter.
Meters to milliliters to centimeters.
I think what y'all learned last year was you would say that there's 100 meters in 100 centimeters in a meter, and then you'd use that 3 times to make it cubed. And so it's 100 times 100 times 100. Remember doing that? Does that ring a bell?
And 1 cubic and 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go make some of these.
For milliliter, you can go to centimeters. For milliliter, you can go to cubic centimeters, their volumes. Okay.
I do.
And then knock those down. 1 centimeter.
Y'all have any orange sheets? Okay, I'll use one. Okay, yeah, so you did get one. I don't know. Okay, oh, I thought, or she thought she lost it. Maybe I just never gave it to you. Oh,
Never received one. Oh, she lost this one.
she lost that one. So I have another one like that I can give her. Okay. Well, I don't want
You
blue.
red, different colors.
Yeah, and these aren't cardstock though, like the originals. They're at least colored. So this, and I do already have some. Mhm. This one didn't have both sides.
Should there be less? It looks like a smaller number in meters.
And then liters, there's a cubic meter. If you think of a meter stick times a meter stick, like a box that's a meter stick on every side, that's huge. I mean, you could get inside of it. And so there should be a lot of liters in a cubic meter. I think there's 1,000 liters. Okay, there's an electronegativity chart. Just hold on to that for now. There's that conversions. Did I give you one of these?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah, I think I remember.
Maybe. Okay, so this is the one you lost. And then I have this. I'll just go. Who wants all orange? Anybody want a cardstock? I'll give it. Too late. Okay, I'm gonna get you one, but it won't be that color orange. It'll be this color orange and just regular paper instead of. That's another conversion chart that might be easier to use. And it's got stuff on back and the front, right? I think I gave you the other one because I could find it online and I knew how to send it to the virtual people. Let me put my mask on. 6 feet. Okay. No. Yeah. Yeah. You want to hear another story? One of the funniest things about somebody asking to go to the restroom. One year, we were at a different campus. It was a long time ago. And I actually had 8th grade. I had to teach an 8th grade class. Oh, that was so hard. And we were, what were we doing? It might have been, no, I think it was middle school. But we were doing some stuff with dry ice. And we had been doing stuff. And one thing you can do is you can put it in a soda bottle and tighten it down with some water, and it'll build up pressure and explode. It makes a really loud explosion. And we had done some of those out in the field, but one of them hadn't gone off. And so I thought, well, I'm just gonna just leave it because that plastic, I mean, if it explodes unexpectedly, you could put an eye out. It's really dangerous. And so I'm just gonna leave it out there, and it'll probably fizz and then be safe after a while. And so then this guy needed to go to the bathroom. And so I said, fine. He's always having to go to the bathroom. And he said, I really got to go real bad. And so I said, go ahead and go. And then a little bit later, we heard this bam. Oh, because what he had said, he didn't say I had to go real bad. He goes, if I don't go, I'm going to pop. And then he left. And then we hear this bam. And the other kid said, oh, he popped. But it was that bomb finally going off. So it was pretty funny at the time. I don't tell him very well though. So. He popped. Middle schoolers. First thing you think. Is it getting warm in here to y'all? Running around too much. Okay, so here you can have, so I'm going to pass this out to you. It's another conversion paper you can use. I gave the boys theirs already. It's got a front and a back, and so it repeats some stuff. And then it has this little stapled on thing that gives unit conversion kind of the way I like. I think it makes more sense than the way they do it elsewhere. So anyway, I have that there. And I punched holes. Oh, you already got one. And I don't know why it says Lily. Maybe somebody named it Lily.
Are these all for Brian? Are these three for Brian?
Yes. But I thought I gave you one. I had an extra. I gave it to her. Okay, then never mind. Okay, so there you go. And did you? And here you go. And you've already got it. So Ian, so you can use any of these formula charts on your tests. Help you do conversions. Show him this conversion factor method, and I want you to see if it looks familiar to you.
I thought you were talking to the wall. I was like,
Yes.
Micrometers are smaller than millimeters.
Yes. Milli just means 1/1000th, but micro means 1/1,000,000th. There's a million micro. Yeah. That's what that, like here it says milli is 10 to the third, which is 1,000, and micro is 10 to the sixth, which is 1,000,000. And then nano is even bigger or smaller, and then pico is even smaller. And then you can get something down to zada. It's called zada. It's really tiny. Yeah. Chemistry. We get out at 11:10 now. Yeah. Entropy is a measure of disorder or randomness. And so normally when things, they just naturally kind of fall apart, become more random. And so that means entropy usually increases. And in order to get entropy to decrease, you have to put in energy to get.
So for an energy decrease would be like
You mean entropy?
entropy.
Decrease would be like to clean something up.
Water, like because then it's all get to the paper towel.
Yeah, I don't know if that it's still pretty disorganized.
Picking up Legos.
Yeah, or building something with the Legos. That'd be a good example. Anything that you would tend to roll your eyes when your mom tells you to do it. Do the dishes, decreasing entropy. Cleaning your room, vacuuming, dusting. Well, y'all know what? Today's the 10th, right? Okay, we've got 65 minutes tomorrow to go over this. Then we don't have class on Monday. And then we have time on Tuesday, a review time at the end of the day. And then we have the final after that. So just 2 more classes before the final.
Wow.
Yeah. And so a smart thing to do would be to do as much of this as you can at home on your own. And that way, when you're here in class, you'll be able to ask me any questions you have rather than working on it here and then going home and having questions. That's the smart thing. Yay, there we go. That's so cute. Yeah. Not yet. Did you find your book that got left in here? Okay. And I have a charger back here. I'll leave it in here for a while. Is it? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is it. This is it. Somebody unplugged my stuff. Rude. And then you can just come back and pick it up later. Cool.
Thank you. Where do you take chapter 2 test and quiz for tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Yes.
So, okay. Chapter 2 test
Yeah.
and quiz 4. Quiz 4.
Yes.
Okay, let me write that down. Chapter 2, quiz 4. Chapter 2. Today or tomorrow? Yeah. Okay, chapter 2, quiz 4, chemistry, eBeth, and Friday after school. Gotcha. I just spelled school wrong. Okay, y'all are dismissed to go to your Spanish or adios. Okay, so I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.